So in this video we will see how we can create SubVIs in LabVIEW. SubVIs are VIs that are called and used in other VIs. They are like functions or procedures or sub-procedures in text-based languages. It's good to make SubVIs so that your code is divided into subsections, each section doing or specializing in its own code. So let's go and create a front panel for our SubVI. First, let's save it. Let's call it SubVI. So let's place a path control. Let's enlarge it to show more path. Let's create an error in and error out. So let's go write the code for our VI. We will start by stripping the path. Then we will be building our own path. Concatenate string. Three items would be enough. Let's create a constant. Go back one step. Then name of the folder, and then create a zip extension .zip. Then we will use build path. Use this name, and to get the file name, cursive file list. We send this path here, this folder, and we will use this path for placing our zip file. Next we will disconnect error in, and next we will be creating a new zip file. So the path to the new zip file will be this one. Let's pass the error. Then we will be going through each file in a loop. Let's use a for loop. And we will be going through a list of all files in the directory one by one. And then we will be using this file reference, the zip file. We will be stripping the path. We will convert path string to path. Function convert this name into a path, and we will use add file to zip function as a shift register, and this is the reference zip file, and this is the source file path, and this is the path of the zip file. Let's pass this reference through, set it to tunnel mode last value, at the error wire, and we will be closing zip file and error out. So let's tidy up the diagram a bit. And we are done with coding. So now let's get this SubVI ready so that it can be called in other main VIs. As you might have guessed, this VI takes a path, looks through the files present in the folder, converts them into a zip file. So let's go and create its icon. Control E to go to front panel. Let's create an icon. It's good to have an icon for a SubVI which is going to be used as a SubVI, since the icon will represent it on the block diagram of another VI. Let's clear the existing icon. Let's create a border and call it zip file. Let's connect this path and error in and error out. Now our SubVI is ready to be used. So now let's go and test our VI as a SubVI from another main VI. Let's create a new VI and let's place this SubVI in its block diagram. Let's connect the path control, create a control. Let's set it to right click, browse options. Let's set it to folders only. Click OK. Let's set the path first. Let's browse for, let's say I want to create zip this folder. Select folder. Let's run the VI. Let's go check if a folder has been created. Yes, a zip file containing our folder has been created. So our SubVI is working perfectly. Thanks for watching.